To the courts we go now. Jamaica's Sunshine Girls are into the semi-finals of the Netball World Cup in South Africa after crushing Caribbean neighbours at Trinidad and Tobago 89-26 in their penultimate match of the second group phase of the tournament to remain unbeaten.
The Sunshine Girls continue to beam in the Rainbow Nation, and their fifth consecutive win at the Netball World Cup has paved the way for the Connie Francis-coached team to be closer to their ultimate goal. The Jamaicans blazed their way to a 20-6 first quarter lead and then stifled the Trinis to only 4 goals while scoring 24 for a commanding 44-10 halftime lead. The Sunshine Girls then racked up 25 goals in the third quarter and then 20 in the fourth and final quarter. In comparison, the Twin Island Republic could only muster 16 goals as the Jamaicans romped to a massive 63-goal margin win at 89-26.
I thought we went out there to work on our connections and limiting our errors and also our contact. So, yeah, doing that allowed us to stay in the game, which was good.
The Jamaicans will determine their position in the group when they square off with New Zealand on Thursday at 4 a.m. in the top-of-the-table clash. The Silver Ferns played out an exciting 48-all tie with the host nation South Africa. Australia and England are the other semi-finalists. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.